Hello everyone! Today we are comparing Realme Pad 2 Lite, Honor Pad X8a and Redmi Pad SE. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Display features. Realme Pad 2 Lite comes with 10.95 inches IPS LCD display. The Honor Pad X8a comes with 11 inches TFT LCD display. And the Redmi Pad SE comes with 11 inches IPS LCD display. Next, compare the hardware features. Realme Pad 2 Lite is powered by the MediaTek chipset, and the Honor Pad X8a and Redmi Pad SE come with the Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. Realme Pad 2 and Redmi Pad SE come with 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. And the Honor Pad X8a comes with 5 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.